Guys, what I realized is that all of the residue from the pine resin come to one little ball here, so I don't really have to worry about straining because everything gets settled. So all I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add the beeswax to it. This is nice and warm, well hot. Shit, I hope my beeswax never go in the pot. But anyways, we're gonna melt him. And then these just are gonna gather back up together again. Then we're gonna make that settle, see, that melt nicely. And then these just are gonna settle again. And I can start pouring out in my tins very soon. This is amazing. Guys, we're all finished. Look, it's not fully solidified yet, but it's getting there. And look what's left. This is what's remaining after we're done, you know, melting and making our salve. This is what's left. So this is all the pine bark and, you know, debris that was in the resin. So don't worry too much about it. It will separate itself. It knows what it's doing. You just need to harvest it. Trust me. So the rest on the chopstick. Actually, it's a skewer. The rest is on the skewer, guys. Guys, I was about to throw this away and then something hit me. Guys, I know I said I was going to throw these away, but I just got the most amazing idea. I could use this as an incense to burn in the house and ward off negativity. Sometimes you're feeling negative as well, or just low in frequency or energy. I'm going to be using this for my incense. I ain't throwing this away, guys. None at all. I'm going to use this and smudge the house. Ain't this a brilliant idea? And the benefits of it, cleansing, purification. You know what I mean? It even protects you. It protects the house, your environment. It lifts you up out of depression. There's so much I know about resin. So much. And this is one of them that is going to help me get out of this, you know? This feeling of entrapment. It's winter time and you're supposed to be hibernating, but we just feel trapped. No sunlight. You know, we just feel trapped. Guys, we're not going to be using it like that. That is hazardous. We're going to be using it like this. You're going to get your little charcoal. Right? You're going to place it in your incense. Then you're going to get your lighter. You're going to light your charcoal. Tell it what you want it to do to cleanse the house. You're going to make sure it's catching. See that? Good job. You see that? Right. And now I'm going to place the resin in some greaseproof paper while that go on catch. And then I'm going to use my hammer to break it up. And this is going to be my resin that I'm going to be using into my charcoal. All right. What me find is that energy accumulates over time. And if we do not clean out the blockage and the emotional heaviness and the physical discomfort, you are going to feel it. So you have to clean your house physically. It's just like you're cleaning your house physically. The energetical cleansing removes unwanted vibrations, and that's going to make sure that you feel lighter, fresher, and harmonious. Negative thoughts, emotions, or even visitors. Sometimes people come in at your house and them come with different energy, and you can feel it. And these different energies, if they're left unchecked, they're going to start, affecting your mood, your motivation, your overall well-being. So keeping a regular cleansing with either incense, smudging, or other rituals is going to ensure that your space is balanced, aligned with your highest good. All right? And I'm left with something looking like this. It looks like myrrh. It's not myrrh, but it looks like myrrh, guys. All right, and then I'm just going to be adding it to my charcoal like this. And then I'll have my incense in the house. I'm going to break this one off and just add it. And there you have it. I can use the incense to smudge the area where I cook. You know, just smudge your living room, smudge the areas where you are. So I'm gonna keep my little resins in here, and every time I wanna, cleanse the house or try and, just get rid of negative energy or any little rituals that I wanna create, I can use this to enter my meditation state and just to feel, uplifted. All right. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. DIY resin for spiritual cleansing.
But take a screenshot of your IG, so when them say you a street, you know I might do that. Full up a star.